Hello, my magical, beautiful beings. My name is Alfred Mystic. We're gonna talk about how do I masturbate. We're drinking today apple, blackcurrant squash, mixed in with water. Also, check this straw. I don't know, is it 18 plus? No, it's not. I have something to say. We have things to talk about, and it's gonna be exciting. It's gonna be everything. Honestly, we just have to talk about life because I masturbated high. As a spiritual being, I work with cannabis in a way that is connecting to my source. I never smoked like for fun, for party, not my vibe. I'm here to connect, I'm here to receive the wisdom of the spirit, and this is my main intention. If you want to know how do I work with the spirit of cannabis spiritually, check my video, I have a video. But it was the first time in my life when I decided to smoke and then masturbate, and for the first time in my life, I smoked cannabis last year, and of course I already had sex being high, but this was something when I decided to do it myself. I decided to connect to my body, to touch every part of me, because I realized something. So, I'm telling you the process. I was next to my mirror, connecting to my body. This was my intention to ground my soul, because most of my time I'm spending somewhere out of this physical reality, connecting to my spirit, to my soul, and we need balance. We need balance between our spirit and our body. So I decided to masturbate, and of course everything was sensual, everything was doubled, all the parts were vibrating. I started to touch myself all around the body, from the legs, and every space I can touch was touchable, was kissable. Yeah, I was kissing myself. I was enjoying every moment. This video is not 18 plus, don't worry. Talking live. And when I was like masturbating, at the end, when I was already, it was final destination, you arrived. I was like, this is so orgasmic. Yeah, if you tried masturbating high, you know what I'm talking about. But the thing that was revealed was, at the end, I realized that I feel disgusting to my penis, to my genitals, and I was like, wait, why do I try to, because the cum was all around, and I was like, ew, disgusting, because I don't swallow, I don't even try my cum. No, you know what, I tried once or twice, my cum and someone as well, but I don't like it, and when I was feeling disgusting, I was like, ew, you're wet, I was literally bullying my penis. And then, because I'm high and I perceive the things from the higher perception, from the higher self, I was like, wait, human, why are you bullying your penis? Why are you bullying your body? Seconds ago, you were feeling it, everything was oh my god, this is so orgasmic. The sign, things are clapping. The spirits are here with me. Okay, orgy, I'm gonna have fun with you later. First, we're having fun here with you. I decided to give compassion to my penis. I was like, I love you so much. This is what I was saying. I was like, at first, yes, I felt compassion that, why am I bullying you? You're a good being. You're such a good person. You're such a great being. Because also what I have to mention, that every genital, every part we have, our brain, our heart, our genitals, our hands, our legs, these are completely other beings. We are a human that is a complex of different, like a set of different elements united together, and then it creates a human being. So I see myself when I'm talking with my energies, I see they're so different. My brain is a shapeshifter, it's a water element, it can absorb any type of information, it can remember things, same as water, it has memory. So I see it as completely the being that is not the same what is my heart. And my heart told me that, yeah, we're just a set of different beings in a human. And when you have this separation for good, you can connect directly to every part of self. Because if you have blocks, firstly identify where, and then you just speak with it, you know? Same with chakras, our energy centers, our roots, our sacral, sexual, creative, solar plexus, the heart, the voice, the throat, the third eye, the crown. If you feel blocked somewhere, also come for a consultation, come for a card reading if you feel stuck. I'm here to guide you, I'm here to show you, give you a practice how to unblock your essence, how to be authentic, how to share the truth through the voice, the expression, the freedom, liberation. That's why we are here. So, I needed to mention that I see every part of me as separate, so I decided to give compassion to my penis. I was like, I love you. I started to touch him. He was so wet, but he was already small because he's not a boner anymore. And I was like, actually, like this, like while I was touching it, I was like, actually, it feels so nice. Even when it's not a boner. I was like, I love you, legend. You're special. And I was because again, I was perceiving from the higher perception. I was like, I am a human also. I'm in a human body. So please love every part of you. And that's when I realized that I was feeling disgusted to have a wet, slimy penis full of cum in my body. Because every time I was like, ew, that's disgusting, I want to go and like wash it, like straight to the shower because ew. But it's not ew, it came out of me. This is my product. This is what I generate. You guys, wow, our mind is fucked. I had trauma with identifying what am I for a long time, and I fully accepted myself at that moment. One, masturbation, being high, I accepted my penis. Hello? I gave him compassion, I gave him love, I was talking with him, and that's when I also fell in love. I fell in love with myself. Because how can you speak self-love if you don't love a part of self, any part of self? We are a whole complete beings. We are enough. So every part of you is kissable. You have to kiss it. It's not about if someone is giving you enough energy, if someone is having fun with you, having sex with you, masturbating your genitals. It's about loving yourself. It's about connection to self. It's about taking that compassion you have and direct it inwards. Because I'm a very compassionate being. When I see something full of love, I'm gonna help, I'm gonna inspire, I'm gonna empower, I'm here for you. And then I just realized that I don't really give compassion to myself. What about me? Yeah, what about me? Because also I was pleasing others for a long time. I realized that compassion also should be directed inwards. That's the truth. If you never try, if you never try to masturbate high, you better do. Also, I'm touching this beautiful dragonfly is a sign of freedom, is a sign of transformation. Fly, be free, because your wings, your freedom will take you anywhere you want to be. Dragonfly is here for you. Okay, let's unite all the elements together. I masturbated high, and at the end, what I was full of cum, I realized that I feel disgusting to my genitals. I was like, ew, you are wrong, it's not okay. Yeah, coming from the background, Christianity, and also self-identification, who am I, what am I, and you know, the influence from the matrix. I realized that I am not given enough love. I don't even give compassion to my genitals. I was like, I love you, penis. Penis, you are my masculine energy. I love you, you know, and I'm gonna do it every day so I connect to you, so I connect to my masculine energy. Because when I came here, when I moved to UK 6 years ago, I started to connect to my feminine energy, because before that I was fully like copy paste like every normal typical guy, and my feminine started to rise from the volcano as a phoenix. Now I'm expressive, now you can see that I express my feminine finally. But then I realized that wait, while I was focused on my feminine, I completely forgot about my masculine. And it was a moment of realization that what about him? What about him? Okay, now it's time to give him my love. Give my compassion to him. He is my main representation of masculine energy. As an androgynous spirit, I am both feminine and masculine. I represent these energies as trinity, as the union, as the middle, center, neutral point. But yes, it was a beautiful moment, so personal. But I'm not scared to share it because it's live, it's natural. We all go through some type of disconnection, detachment, escape from our body. So this video is about reminding you that we have to connect. We are in a human body. This is our house. It's precious. We have to take care of it. As a spiritual beings in a physical body, we have to find that harmony, that balance. So we live this beautiful life in accordance to our truth, to our primal energy. Touching ourselves, or tapping, yes. It's important. It really helps you to ground, to connect to your body. Massage also, oh, this is amazing. Sex, masturbation, any type of course, if it's excessive or if it's porn, I don't watch porn. I masturbate to connect to my body, not to just release kids. You get the point. Okay, my beautiful magical beings, thank you for being here with us. Let me know in the comments how often you masturbate. You know, let's talk about it. If you feel that, oh, like, I don't know if I can talk about it, like, it's secret. We do these things, yeah, girls, we do all these things. We connect to our body. There is nothing wrong with it. If religion told you, because religion told me, not just religion, and spiritual community also, that you are losing the sense of your spirit when you masturbate, you know, fuck that shit. We're here to connect, we're here to guide others, we're here to heal, we're here to express. This is our freedom, this is my body, this is my house, and I do whatever I want. Period. Okay, magical creatures, love you so much. Let me know in the comments how wonderful you are, how is your day, how is your life, and if you want to come for a guidance, for consultation, or if you want to heal your sexual creative energy, let me know on my Instagram, Alfred Mystic. Love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Sending you all my love. Mwah! Love you.